In today's video, I'm going to talk about why a coaching business will change your life. Guys, I went from working 9 to 5 job, working on Argos, working World Duty Free, working at Sky, right? Before I decided to take the biggest risk of my life, I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. That is where I am currently, as you can see from the backdrop behind me. And my life completely changed. I went from working a 9 to 5 job, struggling, barely being able to make enough money. I was in debt, basically broke, to completely changing my life to now living here in Dubai. Guys, the whole point of this video is I want to show you how a coaching business can change your life, because a lot of you guys, right, you're working a 9 to 5 job, you're slaving away for someone else, you don't have freedom, you can't do what it is that you want. Whereas I have ultimate freedom, I can work when I want, I have the best clients in the world, right? And I help people make money, which is obviously the best thing. And I'm changing lives on a day-to-day basis, right? And basically you guys can be doing the exact same thing, because you have to understand your 9 to 5 job isn't going to make you rich. Your 9 to 5 job isn't going to give you freedom. It doesn't matter how much money you make in your 9 to 5 job. You'll never have freedom, right? Now, I have utmost freedom. I can literally do whatever it is that I want. As I said, I live here in Dubai. I quit my job. I'm financially free. And now, I've retired my wife. I've got a swimming pool on my balcony. I get to film in places like currently where I'm at the moment, which is Creek Harbour, which is amazing. I mean, you guys can see from the views behind me, right? But my life completely changed because I started a coaching business. And what I essentially do, if you guys want to know exactly what I do in my coaching business, I help other people start their own online business by selling their skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? And essentially it's a coaching business in a nutshell. I like to call it the one skill consulting business. It's essentially where you sell one of your skills to high ticket clients, right? And it's so easy. So I'll give you guys some examples. There's a woman teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around 80 grand a month. There's another person teaching people how to get a six-pack. He makes around 160K a month. I'll give you some examples of my clients. I've got a 16-year-old client at the moment who teaches people how to start a faceless YouTube channel. I've got a 21-year-old client who teaches people how to start a marketing agency. I've got a client that's teaching people how to do fitness. I have got so many different clients in so many various niches. It's absolutely insane. And it just shows that any niche works, right? Because as I said, I've got people in the fitness niche, people in the marketing niche, people in the, faceless automation niche. So it's almost like any niche will work. And the example I give to most people, if there's a woman teaching people how to knit, all right, she makes just under 20 grand a month. You're telling me that you guys don't have a niche that can make you 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month? Like, honestly, it's so easy. And this is why you should look to start a coaching business, right? And the reason why a coaching business works so well is because you guys have to understand one thing. A coaching business is where you teach one of your skills, right? Which means it's something that you're already better at than most people, right? Or some people. It doesn't have to be most people. As long as you're better at it than some people, you can sell that skill and you can make a lot of money. And as I said, I have many clients that have done that. You guys can check out my testimonials. I will leave the link in the description below. There will be a work with me link there as well. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see all my testimonials down on the website. And if you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, where I will scale you to 10K a month, once you click that work with me link, book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on the call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, right? But the point I'm trying to make is, guys, if you guys start a coaching business and let's say you make a lot of money, let's say 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month, right? The sky is the limit. What could you be doing with that money, right? Would you live abroad? Would you travel more? Would you visit other places? Would you help your family? Would you, I don't know, give back to the people that you love? What would you do if you're making 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand a month? Now, for most people, I know one of the biggest things that most people do is quit the 9 to 5 job, right? And I don't blame you for that because I did the exact same thing. Your 9 to 5 job, unfortunately, will never give you freedom. And your 9 to 5 job will unfortunately never allow you to make 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month, right? Because at the end of the day, guys, you have to understand one thing. Money is great. Of course, you can make a lot more money, but it's about freedom, right? Being able to do what you want. Because yes, I know there's a lot of high paying 9 to 5 jobs. And yes, they can pay you quite good amounts of money, obviously after tax, when tax takes the money out. This is, again, why I have, obviously, freedom. I get to live in Dubai where it's 0% tax, right? So it doesn't make a difference to me whether I make 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month, 40 grand a month in terms of tax, right? Because I don't pay any tax. So any money I make, I get to keep. And this is exactly why having control of your finances, having control of your time, having control over your business where you control your own time is super important. Because imagine, right, You're living in the UK, let's say you don't want to live in the UK, or maybe you're living in the US or anywhere in the West in general, where you have to basically pay 40% tax, right? Half your money, which means that half of the year you're working for free. This is why I moved to Dubai, because I believe that I should be making all the money. I don't believe I should be giving it to a government, especially in the West, right? Let's be real. The money in the West, the money that you give in terms of tax, you don't get safety, crime rate is going through the roof, and it's just not a nice place to live. The weather's not great, all of that kind of stuff. This is, again, one of the reasons why I left the UK. But the point I'm trying to make is, right, a coaching business will absolutely change your life. Absolutely change your life. You're making 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month. Guys, you can be living somewhere like where I am at the moment, right? Which is Creek Harbour, which is honestly one of my favorite places to come to in Dubai. I've filmed a lot of content here as well. And it's just a nice place, man. Right now, obviously, it's really, really hot. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm absolutely sweating like crazy. But I want to make content for you guys. I want to show you guys what's possible. I want to kind of film in places like this to show you what is actually possible, right? You guys can go from working a 9-to-5 job in a boring office, listening to your boss, coming to a place like Dubai, making money online, traveling the world, don't have to wake up early tomorrow, spend time with your family, and make good money and provide for maybe your wife, maybe your parents, X, Y, and Z. Be able to do that. Only an online business at the end of the day is going to be able to do that, right? Because even if you have a physical business, you still need to go to a physical location, or you still need to hire staff at that physical location, which you need to check up on. An online business allows you to have total freedom. So you're not going to a specific location. You just have your laptop, which means you can work where you want, when you want, how you want, right? That's why I chose an online business. And more specifically, that's why I chose an online coaching business. Because, as I said to you guys already, coaching is the best business because you can make a lot of money, you can change lives, right? And not only that, you have total freedom compared to drop shipping, where you don't learn any skills, compared to affiliate marketing, where you need a big audience, compared to all these other business models like trading, which you don't really learn any skills in as well. An online coaching business, you learn skills, you can always make money, you're changing lives, and it's one of the businesses that's changed my life. Guys, I've tried all the other business models, right? And I did make a little bit of money on some of them, I'm not gonna lie to you. However, this business completely changed everything. I went from, as I said, working a 9-to-5 job, hating my life, making about 2 grand a month, to now making well over 6 figures a year, living here in Dubai. As I said, this is possible for absolutely anyone. And all you've got to do, right, is just take the action required. And if you guys want to start an online business that can completely change your life, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, okay? And if you guys want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.